Today I will be using the book, The Mouse Pup, from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on digraph WH. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully because I'm going to be saying some words and I want you to tell me what sound do you hear alike in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. What? When? Where? What sound did you hear alike in each one of those words? Oh, that's right. You heard the W sound. Let's get our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the W sound. Here we go. Grab your mirror, hold it right up to your mouth, and let's make the sound. W. What was your mouth doing? You're right. Your mouth was in a small circle. When your mouth opened up, your tongue stayed low and you puffed out the sound. Now, let's put our hands on our throat and let's see when we make the sound if we can feel a buzzing or vibration. Are you ready? Put your hand on your throat. Get your mirror up. Let's do it together. Here we go. Did you feel anything? Neither did I. So we know that when we make the sound, that's an unvoiced sound. And remember, when we make it, our mouth is a small circle to start off with. And then when our mouth opens up, our tongue stays low and we puff the sound out. And it's unvoiced. Nice job. Put your mirrors away. Okay, now I need you to use your eyes because I'm going to write some words on the board. And I want you to be able to tell me what two letters you see that are alike in each one of these words. Are you ready? Here I go. W-H-A-T. W-H-E-N. W-H-E-R-E. What two letters do you see that are alike in each one of these words? That's right, you see WH. Now let's try something. Let's count how many letters are in this word. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 letters in the word. Let's unblend it and see how many sounds we have. So we have 3 sounds. That means we have 2 letters making one sound. And WH are the 2 letters making one sound. When we have 2 letters that make one sound, we call that a digraph. So this is digraph WH. Today, we're going to learn all about digraph WH. Let's read these words. What, when, where. When you get a chance to read The Mouse Pup, you will have a chance to practice reading digraph WH. And digraph WH makes the W sound. We know that when we make that sound, our mouth is a small circle. When it opens up, our tongue stays low and we puff out the sound. And we know that it's an unvoiced sound. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember, you've got this.